Welcome friends to Literature Mantra. I am Harsh Singh. Now in this video, we'll discuss what is the difference between Russia's Luna 25 mission and India's Chandrayaan 3. So we will see why Russia's rocket started later but will be landing on the moon before Chandrayaan 3, the technological aspect. Second, is there a political dimension also? Is Russia trying to send a political statement to India? And we will also see how and why Chandrayaan 3 has taken almost a month or more than a month to finally land on the moon. इन सभी चीजों को डिस्कस करेंगे एंड इफ यू वांट टू कनेक्ट विद मी यू कैन फॉलो मी ऑन टेलीग्राम एंड दिस इज द लिंक हर्ष सिंह सर ऑफिशियल. और एक और अनाउंसमेंट, इफ यू आर प्रिपेयरिंग फॉर एमए इंग्लिश एंट्रेंस फॉर नेक्स्ट ईयर, टेक एडवांटेज ऑफ आवर फ्रीडम सेल, डाउनलोड द ऐप ऑफ लिटरेचर मंत्रा एंड गेट अप टू 80% ऑफ एंड दिस इज द लास्ट डे ऑफ द सेल. एंड इफ यू आर प्रिपेयरिंग फॉर यूजीसी नेट इंग्लिश फॉर December 2023, then book your seat now. New batches start on the 1st of September. And to register, just WhatsApp or call us on this number 7678160296. Now have a look at this headline. Russia's Luna 25 could land on the moon days before Chandrayaan 3. How the two missions compare. और ये वाला headline जो है The Hindu newspaper से है, Chandrayaan 3 gets closer to moon after fourth orbit reduction maneuver. So ये orbit reduction maneuver होता क्या है? Now यहाँ पे आप देख पाओगे, this is a image released by ISRO. Unlike the Luna 25 mission of Russia, the rocket of ISRO, or the rocket which launched Chandrayaan 3, is not that powerful. And second thing is, the payload that our satellite is carrying, मतलब Chandrayaan 3 is carrying, is much heavier. Chandrayaan 3 जो है almost 4 tons है, 4000 kilograms. On the other hand, Luna 25 just weighs around 1700 kilograms. Chandrayaan 3 also has a rover, lander rover, whereas Luna 25 does not. And one of the purposes of Chandrayaan 3 has been to conserve fuel. मतलब कम फ्यूल में इनको ज्यादा डिस्टेंस जाना है. दैट इज द रीजन व्हाई दिस काइंड ऑफ ट्रेजेक्ट्री. यहाँ पे किया क्या है, पहले स्लोली इन्होंने अर्थ के ऑर्बिट को छोड़ा है and afterwards it has reached the orbit of moon and slowly it is going closer to the moon and finally it will land. और यहाँ देखो आप mission objectives of Chandrayaan 3. The mission objectives of Chandrayaan 3 are to demonstrate safe and soft landing on the lunar surface. उसके बाद to demonstrate roving on the moon and to conduct in situ scientific experiments. Now let me point out few more facts. First, Russia doesn't seem to be in competition with India. On the contrary, रशिया और इंडिया का बहुत हिस्टोरिकल रिकॉर्ड है कोलैबोरेशन का, whether it be in defense, whether it be in space. So it is unlikely that Russia is trying to send any political message to India. Yes, it may be trying to send a political message to the West or the Western countries. But what India should learn from Russia's Luna 25 is that it needs a powerful rocket. Second, a powerful rocket saves time. जो हमें एक महीने से ऊपर लग गया बस ऑर्बिट तक पहुंचने में, उसके बाद फाइनली लैंड करने में, अगस्त 23 को जो लैंड होगी. रशिया's lunar mission has accomplished this in just few weeks. And one more thing I want to point out, Russia's Luna 25 is going to keep on working for 1 year. ये एक साल तक काम करेगा. Whereas India's Chandrayaan 3 is only going to work for 1 lunar day. मतलब 14 Earth days तक ही वो last कर सकता है. Its mechanisms and its equipment will only last for 14 Earth days, which is equivalent to 1 lunar day. Now let's hope that our Chandrayaan 3 safely lands on the moon. And before I end, if you are preparing for UGC NET English for December 2023, then book your seat now. And to book your seat, just WhatsApp us or call us on this number 7678160296.